Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports, and today we're taking a look at this 2018 Can-Am SPYDER RT SE6. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This trike has 20,285 miles and passes New Hampshire State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this trike's charging output of 14 volts. We installed new front tires and a new rear tire. We took this vehicle for a test ride and found that it runs rides and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this trike, so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this trike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a paint blemish on the front fender, and a paint blemish on the front fairing. This trike has an owner's manual, a toolkit, and 2 keys. It comes equipped with ABS, traction control, cruise control, heated grips, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, reverse, and an electronic windshield. It's been upgraded with a Rotax windscreen. The SPYDER has a clear title, and we have purchased a CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This trike comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.